Okay, so Sindhila, you're really good, and it was really tough judging you. And अब थोड़ा मुश्किल काम उन्होंने मुझे दे दिया. Okay, but once again, all of you guys are really good, and that's good that you all had heard. If you win the title, if you don't win the title, so you know what to do. Okay. अच्छा हुआ इन्होंने उल्टी चीज बता दी, because Mr. Fresher is Manish.
I never expected by participating. It's just the participation which I did from my part of behalf. This is a great surprise which I get. Thank you everyone.
Yes. Now I am feeling that I am the king of the world. And thanks would actually know that I am the deserving candidate. I really have a lot of friends that shifted me that I will be the Mr. Fresher of yours.
Good. May I please invite the last year's Mr. Fresher of Accurate. Please, Gaurav and Ritu.
Give them a big hand. Give them your last year's Mr. Fresher.
Click Networks UK Limited. This is a company which is UK based and which came for the selection in Accurate Institute for the placement activities. And for the past 3 days, we have been working very hard to crack the interview. And it's a very, very good company to work with and a good scope in career growth. And K-Click Networks UK Limited has announced that the winners will get a direct entry in K-Clicks next year. The direct entry. One offer letter in hand.
We were almost 8 rounds to clear the interview. So you have got that opportunity.
And this is the crowning procedure that is done. Miss Fresher 2009 is giving that crown to Miss Fresher 2010.
All right.
Give them a big hand. Come on guys, give them a big hand.
Manish and Ankita, there's another huge prize waiting for you, which is from the management. This is a gift for both of you from ma'am, from Accurate to Mr. and Miss Fresher.
These are mobile phones from Samsung.
Put up thanks from ma'am, please. Ma'am, last one. Not only 2 words.
One thing, you all managed it really well. I am really happy to see all of you actually performing so well. And I never knew I have such a good and big talent. And you all managed it really well. I'm really very happy and I'm thankful to you, Sayali, despite of being late 1 hour and getting up early in the morning, 4 a.m. in the morning just for this function. I think you all should give a big round of applause.
हेलो, यहाँ पर मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि please, faculty members, don't mind it. I have a girlfriend, and the name of girlfriend is Simran. The name is Simran, and मेरी girlfriend ने मुझसे कहा कि मनीष, तुम्हारा फ्रेशर पार्टी होगा और तुम्हें मेरे लिए टाइटल जीतना है. तो मैंने कहा कि really, I will give my best, and that's now I am the Mr. Fresher of Accurate 2010. Simran resides in Punjab.
So this mobile is for her.
I just want to thank the persons who have motivated us. In one day, this whole event has been possible just because of the faculties and the senior members, our seniors. And we have worked a lot, not having anything for the whole day just to prepare for this fresher, to hoping that it will be a big event, and this is bigger than what I have imagined. Thanks a lot, Akuri.
Can I have faculty members just to hard words?
And the party actually has been performed good just by these faculty members. They were our helping hand and our guide who motivated us to do all these things. So please give a big round of applause to all the faculty members.
Let me ask your mentors, how do they feel once they've seen all your talents? Or how do you feel now? Have managed to now how do you feel?
It's really excellent. See, the students really did very hard work. On 21st they had their last exam, and after that we pressurized them. Though Ankita was intended to say fresher party, and she slipped and she said pressure party. Of course it was a pressure party to the guys. A lot of pressure was mounted upon them to perform well, to do well. They did, really did. I am thankful to the management which for giving us the opportunity of conducting this sort of program, and we should be thankful to the entire faculty fraternity who motivated the students, worked hard with them. Supriya ma'am, the credit goes to you. We all should be thankful to you. The students, juniors, seniors, there was no junior, no senior while preparing, and still I am seeing that they are so nicely mingled up with each other that it's very difficult to find out who is senior and who is junior. One thing which I want to say to all of you, that our campus, we declare it, our campus is 100% ragging free, and everybody can see it here. Guys, remain like this, be friends. मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा लास्ट में, सभी को सब कुछ नहीं मिलता, especially for those rest of the contestants who worked hard. But it was not a failure, guys. At least you got a chance to come on stage and to perform, to show your talent. सभी को सब कुछ नहीं मिलता, नदी की हर लहर को साहिल नहीं मिलता. ये दिलवालों की दुनिया है दोस्तों, किसी से दिल नहीं मिलता तो कोई दिल से नहीं मिलता. So please आप जिससे भी मिलें, जब भी मिलें, दिल से मिलें. कोशिश करें ऐसे इवेंट्स हम करते रहेंगे. You are such a lovely audience. तुम लोगों ने बहुत cooperate किया, बहुत support किया. I'm thankful to all of you. Guys, be like that, remain like that. Thank you very much.
Member very rightly said that सभी को सब कुछ नहीं मिलता, but I want to tell all you guys who are for me the winners. These are your winners, these are my winners. I want to tell you, I want to share one thing with all of you. I want to share one thing. I come from Nasik, so I always wanted to participate in Miss India. So मैंने सोचा थोड़े ना trial rounds कर लिए जाए before I go. So there's a Miss of the school, Miss of the class, Miss of Nasik. And then there's Miss Maharashtra, and then there's Miss Mumbai. I failed in everyone, but I won Miss India. This is my experience. Thank you very much. Sorry, I will not be able to do pictures and autographs because I have to rush for a flight. Thank you very much again. You can follow me on Twitter, and we'll see you there, guys.
Our senior batch would have a good lectures by Mr. Mohit Raja. Mr. Mohit Raja will change the flavor.
Yes, sir, definitely.
For good. It's a great for good.
Of course, of good, for good. So I'm giving the mic to him. Kindly listen carefully because I'm seeing the maximum audience is from the first year. Guys, next year you are also going to face the same sort of interviews, whether Mohit Raja comes here or somebody else. Definitely you will be facing interviews. You'll have to crack those interviews and you will get some good opportunities. As Mr. Mohit Raja is here today, he has given very good news to us. I won't declare it right now, but I have got the information how many candidates have been selected for this. So it's a good news for the senior batch and a very good news to the junior ones also. So listen carefully. I am giving this mic to Mr. Mohit Raja. Mr. Mohit Raja.
Hi guys. Thank you डॉक्टर साहब. वैसे काफी लोग मुझे पहचान लेंगे अभी यहाँ पे इधर. आप लोगों के साथ हम अगले साल मिलेंगे. यहाँ पे? 100%. ये 10 लाख रुपए के इन्वेस्टमेंट का पे ऑफ समझते हैं आप? ये कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी तरह से आपकी जेब से जाना है वापस. है ना? तो ये जो इन्वेस्टमेंट आपने किया इसकी रिटर्न्स हैं क्या बेसिकली आपका प्लेसमेंट? है या नहीं? जॉब सबको करना है? 10 लाख रुपए के इन्वेस्टमेंट में सबको रिटर्न्स चाहिए? ये रिटर्न्स कैसे मिलेंगी? इन्वेस्टमेंट तो कर दिया आपने. जॉब से ही मिलेगी ना? पर क्या 10 लाख रुपए के इन्वेस्टमेंट से जॉब मिलेगी? किस चीज से जॉब मिलेगी?